Humanity need peace, love, light, high vibration. Humanity needs to evolve. So I became that. And I continually to evolve. And if you scramble these words, evolve spells love. Love is a high frequency. Love is powerful. But don't nobody know what real love is. And that's the thing. Your ego could tell you and trick you certain things. Your ego ain't nothing but something that experienced a life that was here or whatever that transpired. But you are beyond the ego. So evolve. Love yourself. Evolve and be peace.